They sentences a near death. If you were dead, would you target a hospital?
If you can move as quickly and as safely as possible to your nearest exit. Thank you. Can I have in here, please? All right, wait, that's the shot for me. Not the service. You need to be carefully safe.
We've got multiple code 4s in intensive care. Which floor is that? 6. What's the code for it?
Doctor.
We need to do a body count. Let me know when we get to 12.
Do you see Jamie? No. I'll catch you up. Jamie? Jamie, is that you in there?
Why strengthen your defenses every day?
I'm up at 4 o'clock in the morning. It takes me 2 hours to commute. Between my job and my family, I could easily get run down.
A hectic life can weaken your body's natural defenses, but every morning you can help strengthen them with Dan Active. Only Dan Active has L-KCI Immunitas and is clinically proven to help strengthen your body's defenses.
I feel real good, and my sons are going strong too.
Help strengthen your body's defenses. Now available in life.
I am playful. I am a lean, mean, special machine. I am footloose, leash free. I am more than just a dog. I'm an IAMS dog.
An IAMS proactive health dog, that is. More veterinarians recommend IAMS than any grocery brand. It helps promote 7 signs of healthy vitality in your dog. IAMS proactive health.
Seven. You got it.
Now get 2.9% APR for 60 months plus $1,000 purchase bonus cash on the Aura Fusion and Sky. Now, an inside look at Torchwood.
Do you want to know a secret?
See what he says. There's something in the dark. Jack Harkness. And it's coming for you. What is it in the dark? What is out there?
When owning death by death, is it actually death? Is it a race? Is it a spirit? I never thought of it as death itself. It's of the night.
There's something out there that's coming. And you're just going to have to wait.
Now I can go, hover around. Indoors, outdoors, all the time.
If you're having trouble getting around, you need a Hoveround power chair.
I'm Tom Cruise, inventor of the Hoveround. I'm a nurse by profession, so I know how important it is to your well-being to have a power chair that gives you independence and freedom.
My Hoveround changed everything.
It can change everything in your life, too. Call now and find out how you can get a Hoveround.